Today we talk about how can you disable character messages on your Poly.AI app. We're going to figure out this solution on know how you can do that on your app. So all you have to do, so you just go down here, click here on me down here. So when you click here on me, when you click here on me here, it's going to take you to next step here. So then all you have to do now, you just click here on settings. So when you click here on settings, it's going to take you to this list here. Then all you have to do now, you just click here on push notifications here. When you click here on push notifications here, it's going to take you to this list here. So then you come here to character message here. So then you click here in this sign or this color. Like you see color, it's gone. That's main character message notifications disabled with us now. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.